good sharp drop and a very smart recovery seen in crude oil, and now it has again come close to 82.5. It has in fact went till towards 82.8. At the same time, my favorite natural gas is again trading bullish. It has come to, it is trading about 2.8. Remember, many times we have discussed this, that beyond 2.8 there is still more bullishness. We are looking at 3.1 levels. So now what to expect today from crude and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Second update will be released before the US session. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Also, your every like and every comment is the great appreciation, great effort, great motivation for me. And do press the like button. Do comment. How do you appreciate? How do you like my efforts? Also, please do share and subscribe. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with net gas. Now see oil on the hourly charts dipping here till 80 levels, 79.5 levels, and it has created higher lows here. You can see it is trying to create higher highs as well. So possibly once it stays beyond 83, more bullishness may prevail here. Also remember, now it is consolidating, and see the rise of the and the bullish candles are stronger while the bearish candles are very small here. Yes, it has got its support intact here again, 82.2 levels. So a sell entry below 82.2 can be taken, but then 82, 81.4 and 81 are the very strong support levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit, while if you look at the RSI, this is almost flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation on the 2-hour chart. See higher lows, higher highs are seen here. First drop at around 79, 78 levels, 78.5 levels rather. Then this is around 80, 79.6. Likewise, it is giving you higher lows and at the same time higher highs as well, you should note. So now this time, if it breaks past 83, that is the time you can stay long, and we are looking at 84, 85 levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is almost flat. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, see one thing you should note, that the prices, the farther they diverge from the moving average, they always trying to converge. And see, it is taking the support from 100 period moving average as of now, which is now situated at around 80. And it is continuing its bull run like in this channel. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought here, while the MACD has again crossed over, trading with divergence looking upwards. If you look at RSI, this is almost flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. However, I will definitely watch out for how it behaves at around 83. Beyond that, certainly the bulls will take over from here. Now look at the 4-hour charts also. See the retracement candles are very small. Also, if you look at higher lows are seen here, and hence if you see it trading below 82.2, you can sell there. Only below 82.2, one can expect that it is giving you lower highs, lower lows, and possibly we may expect it to achieve the bottom there. So again 82.2, if you are selling, remember first and nearest is 82, then 81.4, then 81. These are three very important support levels. It's staying below 81, more bearishness may prevail. Second observation, indeed, is higher lows, higher highs. In the long term, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. So now this is at a crucial junction where it has to decide which direction it wants to take. Stochastic is overbought, MACD crossing over for a buy again, and RSI is almost flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at daily chart. See, yesterday was a beautiful day. We expected a second red candle. It stayed bearish. It achieved, the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving averages, precisely almost as does the 20 period moving average. So this is one thing, that the drop is done, and but the good part is very strong recovery shown here, and this strong recovery shows the imbibed bullishness. Now the aim is achieved, it has touched the moving average. Second is, it is trying to show you that it is still staying bullish, it is not going to drop. Third is, I will wait for a breakout above 83. That is only the decision point. If it stays above 83, just stay long. We are going to look at 84, 85 levels. And in fact, anything beyond that is a plus for oil here. Also, if you look at, see, here you will find lower highs are getting created. Hence, you can buy here at 82.8. However, I will wait for 83 levels, hardly 20 cents here. only above 83 more bullishness may prevail. Yes, this may be a reversal and we can expect a good bullish candle here which can take it for 84. So how it behaves at around 82.883, that is what we should note. Any rise above 82.883 is where the bulls will take over. On the down, a sell entry is at 82.2, below 82.2. Remember, once it starts to turn red, we will observe how it behaves at around these levels, 81.882. And if it does trade bearish, 81.4 levels, and then below that another round of good drop can be seen. Stochastic is overbought. MACD, now see, MACD is willing to converge crossover for sell, and this is also important because this is coming at a very higher levels. And again, yes, it has retraced, but once it crosses over with a red candle today, possibly we are going to look forward to the second wave here. See, this should try to come back at least till towards these levels before looking upwards. Yes, it is trading at a slightly higher levels. Now, it does not mean that it has not seen such further higher levels in the history. You can see this at the COVID times, it stayed at around 200, 400 zone. In fact, has seen plus 800 with the COVID news there. So yes, it has still scope. However, I will treat this as a near term high levels because the last couple of years it is just staying within this zone. Hence, we have to observe a bit carefully. RSI is near to overbought, and hence we can sell at 82.2. Be careful till 81. First resistance zone is at 81.882, then 81.4, then 81. 81 is a very good support. Below that, again, 80 levels will be seen. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside, beyond 83, I will look forward to 84 levels directly. 83.8884, very good resistance zone there. Take your positions accordingly. Now, let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed to gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Now, let's start with the natural gas now. Natural gas on the hourly chart still staying bullish. 20 period moving average giving it a good support. You can see this. It is, the prices were divergent here. It has converged, then the rally, then it is trying to converge. Now, good support at 2.8. Remember, beyond 2.8, 2.2, A2, we are still staying bullish in natural gas on the long run. Yes, it can retrace, but any retracement should not deter our objective that in the near term, natural gas must rise. However, these are markets. See, now this zone here, you will see 2.8, 2.78. These are the two levels. I will recommend you to sell here at 2.78. Below that only one can expect 2.7674. Remember, 2.76 was the earlier resistance. It has breached the 2.76 level and continuing with the bullish momentum here. Stochastic has retraced. MACD crossing over for a sell here on the early charts, while RSI is staying near to the top. On the 2-hour charts, similar observation. See the divergence from the 20 period convergence. Again, the divergence, it will wait for the 20 period moving average to rise a bit. Yes, there is a good crossover is seen. I think it must stay further bullish. Remember, it has just breached the resistance here at 2.76. This was the flag formation and it is continuing with the rally here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD crossing over for a sell, and this is coming at a slightly higher levels. I will definitely observe how it behaves at around these levels, though for net gas plus 60 levels are also not difficult, but RSI is overbought here, so a little bit of retracement can be expected. Now coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts likewise, see a crossover here between the moving averages. Prices are divergent from the moving average and hence a possibility till towards 2.76 or 2.7 levels cannot be denied. Only bearishness is net gas is if it trades below 2.6. That is the time you should treat this as bearish, else every drop is an opportunity to buy. Now look at 3-hour charts. Yes, those who wants to trade short term, you can see first thing is first red candle, second red candle with the twin bottom. Yes, you can sell here at 2.8 levels, but then 2.78, 76, 74, very good support exists here. Stochastic is overbought. MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. Now see what it could try to do. It could try to retrace with the smaller candles here, try to bring the price a little down before rallying again. RSI is overbought, hence a little cooling can be expected. On the 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, there is a very important crossover here. Price is trading with divergence, trading bullish, and you can see this is the bullish channel in which net gas is trading. Now the support level still 2.74, 2.72, I will say 2.7 is a very strong support for now. Yes, it can retrace a little. Yes, it can retrace a little. What it will try to do, see the retracement here. Now rise, see possibly a retracement can be expected till towards 2.78, 2.76 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is overbought. Coming to daily charts. On the daily charts, one important point to note is the breakout after the flag formation here. This is a bull run. This time it must achieve higher highs. We can look forward to 3.1 levels. I will see definitely how much time it is gonna take. Certainly this was the resistance here, 2.76 and 2.882 zone. See, this is also breached and now it is aiming higher. Remember, it is, see, after a couple of smaller green candles, one bigger bullish, then a further diminishing. So this could be a smaller bullish candle, but and see, I will observe how it behaves if it tries to create a double top here, and these double top levels is certainly you should look out for now. So yes, you can buy here at 2.84, but then 2.9, 2.94 levels is something you should watch out for. At double top, we will see how it behaves. Certainly, my expectation is for it to break past 3 levels in the near term. Near term means next few sessions. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is divergent. It has crossed over on the daily charts after dropping till towards this level. This increases the scope for natural gas to continue with the bullish momentum. RSI near to top. So what it could try to do, it could try to retrace a little for the day, where we can expect it to retrace till towards 2.78, 2.76 level. And at those levels again, you should initiate a buy till 2.7. I think we can remain completely bullish. We can expect it to at least hit 2.9, 2.94 levels. And till 2.6, I will be still 80% bullish here. Till 2.6, I will remain bullish. Till 2.6, every drop is an opportunity to buy. But we have to trade with caution there. See, if you are taking a sell entry, first is to take the advantage of the momentum. And hence, right now, if you want to take the advantage, you can sell at 2.8. But then 2.78, 76, 74, very strong support. Then 2.7. Till 2.7, you have to just take the sell entry with the stop loss at your entry price. Once it drops and you see that there is a reversal, cut off your selling entry and initiate a buy from there. Expect it to again break past 2.84 levels and then profit accordingly. So a good profit entry is above, buying entry is above 2.84, a selling entry is below 2.8 levels. In between these four signs, do not take any position. Below 2.8 is still very stronger support exists till 2.6. Do not treat this as bearish. Trail your stop losses. On the upside, also one more point to remember, it is outside Bollinger Bands, hence it could rise first, stretch the Bollinger Bands a little and then show a pullback. So this is also very much possible. And hence a buy entry at 2.84, expect 2.9, 2.94 levels there, and there we'll see how it behaves. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship by join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.